Hey PTE aspirants! Welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for mastering the PTE Academic and PTE Core. In today's video, we're diving into a fresh Retell lecture practice, just like you'll face in the real exam. I'll play the lecture first, and then you'll hear the perfect model response, so you can boost your fluency, content, and pronunciation scores. Make sure you grab a notebook for keywords, because this is your moment to practice like a pro. And hey, before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a single practice session that could make all the difference in your PTE results. Bridges are one of the most important engineering structures, connecting places separated by rivers, valleys, or roads. Their designs vary from simple beam bridges to suspension and cable-stayed bridges, each tailored to the terrain and load requirements. Famous examples include the Golden Gate Bridge in the United States and the Millau Viaduct in France. The construction of bridges requires careful consideration of materials, such as steel and concrete, to withstand both natural forces and human use. Engineers also analyze wind, water currents, and seismic activity. Safety, durability, and cost efficiency are key goals. In recent years, technology has allowed the creation of longer and stronger bridges using advanced materials and computer modeling. Beyond transportation, bridges symbolize connectivity and human progress, often becoming cultural landmarks. Maintaining them through inspections and repairs is crucial, as collapses can cause catastrophic damage. Thus, bridges are both practical solutions and enduring achievements of engineering. The lecture described bridges as vital structures linking places, with designs like beam, suspension, and cable-stayed. Examples included the Golden Gate and Millau Viaduct. Engineers use materials like steel and concrete while considering wind, water, and earthquakes. Technology enables stronger designs, while maintenance prevents disasters. Bridges serve both transportation needs and cultural significance. Renewable energy has become a central theme in modern engineering as societies shift away from fossil fuels to sustainable solutions. The most common sources are solar, wind, hydroelectric, and geothermal power. Each relies on natural processes, making them environmentally friendly and reducing carbon emissions. Engineering innovations have led to solar panels that convert sunlight efficiently, massive wind turbines generating electricity, and advanced dams producing hydropower. However, renewable energy also presents challenges such as storage, intermittency, and the need for large land areas. For example, solar energy is limited during cloudy days and wind power depends on weather patterns. Despite these hurdles, investment in renewable energy is growing globally, as it not only helps fight climate change, but also creates jobs and supports economic growth. Ultimately, renewable energy represents the intersection of science, engineering, and environmental responsibility. The lecture explained renewable energy from sources like solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal. It highlighted engineering advances such as efficient solar panels, wind turbines, and dams. Challenges include storage and dependence on weather. Despite this, global investment is increasing because renewables reduce emissions, support economies, and provide sustainable energy. Skyscrapers are tall buildings that have transformed city landscapes and represent advancements in architecture and engineering. The first modern skyscraper, built in Chicago in the late 19th century, used steel framing and elevators, allowing buildings to reach unprecedented heights. Today, skyscrapers like the Burj Khalifa in Dubai and the Shanghai Tower demonstrate human ambition and technological innovation. Engineering a skyscraper requires addressing unique challenges, such as withstanding wind forces, earthquakes, and fire hazards. Engineers use lightweight materials, flexible designs, and advanced safety systems. The foundations are also extremely deep to stabilize the immense weight of these structures. Skyscrapers serve practical purposes by maximizing urban space, housing offices, apartments, and shopping centers. They also become symbols of national pride and economic development. However, their construction is costly, and environmental concerns about energy use have led to the rise of green skyscrapers with sustainable technologies. The lecture was about skyscrapers, beginning with Chicago's early steel-framed buildings and modern examples like Burj Khalifa. Engineers designed them to resist wind, earthquakes, and fire, with deep foundations for stability. They maximize urban space, symbolize progress, and now include green technologies to reduce environmental impact. Robotics is revolutionizing the construction industry by automating tasks that are traditionally labor-intensive, dangerous, or repetitive. Robots can lay bricks, pour concrete, and even assemble entire modular buildings. Drones are used to survey sites, while 3D printers are creating structures layer by layer with remarkable precision. One major advantage is safety, as robots can handle hazardous tasks at great heights or in unstable environments. They also improve efficiency and reduce errors, saving both time and cost. In addition, robotics helps address the shortage of skilled labor in many countries. However, challenges remain, including high costs of technology, maintenance issues, and the need for skilled operators. Despite these obstacles, the trend is clear. Construction will increasingly rely on automation. This shift promises not only faster and safer projects, but also a transformation in the way humans and machines collaborate to build the future. The lecture discussed robotics in construction, mentioning robots that lay bricks, pour concrete, and 3D print buildings. It noted drones for site surveys and benefits like safety, efficiency, and solving labor shortages. Challenges include cost and skilled operation, but robotics will increasingly shape faster and safer construction. Smart cities are urban areas that integrate technology and engineering to improve living conditions, sustainability, and efficiency. They rely on sensors, data networks, and artificial intelligence to manage traffic, waste, water, and energy systems in real time. For instance, smart traffic lights reduce congestion, and intelligent grids optimize electricity use. Engineers play a central role in designing infrastructure that supports these systems, from energy-efficient buildings to advanced public transportation networks. Smart cities also emphasize environmental goals, such as reducing carbon emissions and promoting renewable energy. Yet, challenges include the high cost of infrastructure, data privacy concerns, and ensuring accessibility for all citizens. Despite these issues, many countries are investing heavily in smart cities as they promise cleaner environments, improved quality of life, and sustainable growth. The lecture explained smart cities, which use sensors, AI, and data to manage traffic, waste, water, and energy. Engineers build efficient infrastructure, transport, and green systems. Although challenges like cost and privacy exist, smart cities are expanding globally to improve sustainability and quality of life. If you found this practice useful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps more learners find us. And for daily PTE tips, model answers, and prediction topics, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. Comment below with your score goal, and I'll share a personalized study tip for you. Until next time, keep practicing and keep aiming higher. You've got this.